Hi, welcome to Chinese Cooking with Jie. I'm Jie.
And I'm Len.
Today we cook the noodles and beef. No,
It's hamburger.
Hamburger, right? And we just put some onion, cilantro, and cucumber.
And we're going to go out in the kitchen. She's going to prepare. This is an easy one, very fast.
Yes.
We'll be back in just a little bit.
Okay, see you later.
Bye for now.
Bye right now. Hi, welcome to Chinese Cooking with Jie. I'm Jie.
And I'm Len.
Today we cook the noodles. We make the beef and the sauce noodles.
Okay.
And right now the water is boiling. I will make the noodles. And the noodles need the Chinese.
Shandong ramen noodles, thick.
Right, it's thick. And the water is hot, boiling. Okay. A little more.
So about 1.5 handfuls.
Right, maybe we can eat. Maybe 2 times.
Okay.
Okay.
This is a good meal for 2 people.
Right. Okay, this one in here.
Right.
And today we use the. Wait a minute. Let them body. We use the ginger, gray onion, and garlic. This we use for the sauce.
Okay.
And later we eat noodles time. We have the cucumber.
Oh wow, that's really small.
Yeah, good. And onion.
Okay. That's we get the Vidalia sweet onions.
Right. And cilantro.
Okay.
Okay. This one I need like small. Number 3 is okay. I think I need change room and make the sauce.
All right.
Beef sauce. Okay.
Okay.
I want to open this one. In here. Right?
There you go. Take the front.
Yeah. A long time no use the one. I just forget. Okay, in the side, I make sauce. I use some chili powder.
Right, hot
This
pepper
one.
powder.
Right. This one.
That powder's not really all that
Right,
hot.
nowhere hot, just a little warm. Make some taste.
Right. If you're going to use cayenne pepper, don't use a lot. Don't use as much as she's going to use for this.
Right. No good for you.
Yeah.
Okay. And the pan is hot. Use some oil, nowhere much. See, we just make it. This is okay. This one cook is okay.
Okay.
We
So-
use
Just kind of waiting for that oil to heat up a little bit.
use the old and
Allspice.
allspice, but the bottle, you know.
No,
Right, not the bottle.
we reuse.
Right.
So that's probably a tablespoon.
Yeah,
And then
ginger. Very
ooh, better than you.
yeah. My mouth.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm okay. Just a little.
The water and the vegetables.
Yeah. I use the beef. See the beef, I use two kinds of the beef. This side of the beef have a little oil. I just want to make some oil in there.
We call it, it's just the fat, hamburger fat. This is just regular plain old hamburger that you get in the store on this one right here. The other one though is ground chuck. That's a better cut of hamburger.
Yes, and there is no much oil.
Right.
No fat. Just a little fat. And just want to make it some oil in there.
Okay. Now the more it cooks, the more it'll the fat will start rendering out of the meat.
Yeah. Okay. And add another part. So the inside.
The ground chuck. Now you can just use regular hamburger.
Yes, hamburger is very good.
Get that down to medium.
Right now, no need it too hot. I don't want it to make it too hard. Need a little salt. Right now.
So my question is going to be, is this regular Chinese food or is this Jie style?
Jie style. Some and normally Chinese people eat the noodles like use the ground pork very much, and I do think that and the American people like it beef hamburger, so I make a my way.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah.
But again, I'm American people.
Yeah. I make it so for American people and them like the beef more, so I don't use the sausage, no use the ground beef, or no ground pork.
Well, that's okay too, and just letting people know that they can use ground pork or sausage if they want to. That's good too.
Yes, and we use more 1, 2, 3, 4.
4 tablespoons of soy sauce.
Yes.
Funny thing is when we bought this hot pepper powder, we thought it was going to be really, really hot. We thought, what a great deal.
No hot, it's good.
But it's warm.
Yeah.
It's just not hot.
Yeah.
But it does have a really good taste to it.
Right, we just want to have the taste, no matter hot and no hot.
Right.
If people like the paper, you can use the fried paper, cut the small go to the inside. Today we just don't have the paper.
Right, we're not using the red chilies, and again, if you want to spice it up a little bit, put in some cayenne pepper. Make it as hot as you want.
Right. And,
not everybody likes it as hot as we do, though.
Right. And
okay, this is sugar.
Sugar.
One
1/2.
and a half.
Yes.
Now, why do you add the sugar? Just out of curiosity.
And use some sugar tastes more good. Just make it more taste.
It brings out more flavors.
Right, more flavor.
Okay.
Right. And this one need a little salt because we waste the noodles together.
Okay.
And we have the cheetah box together. So, one little salt.
One tablespoon of
Right.
salt. Okay.
Right. Just make it a little salt.
Because the noodles are very plain tasting.
Right, yes.
But they do pick up the flavors from everything else.
True.
So. Ooh, you can start smelling that now. That is really starting to smell good from over here.
Uh-huh. I know if they smell good, huh?
Oh, it smells really good, yeah. That's one of the things that I really enjoy about your cooking is that, and I know I probably sound like a broken record every time we make a video, but everything smells so good.
Yes. Sometimes when I cook a time, I just swallow. All right.
And that was the last part that you put in there. Was that garlic?
Yes, garlic.
Garlic, okay.
Yeah, the noodles are shown down.
Okay. So just about everything will be all done at the same time then.
Yes. I do this one and they can use two stoves very fast.
Yes.
Okay. This is the last part.
Okay, and this is oyster sauce. We
Yes. oyster sauce.
we just put it in an old
the old box. Oh, the bottle. Okay.
Right.
Oyster sauce and two.
No, that's probably 3.
Two. No, just a little. I have some garlic in there.
Oh.
Two or three is okay.
2 or 3. And that again is the oyster sauce.
Right. If you put the oyster sauce, you just need to turn it off. Turn it off is okay because it's still hot.
Okay. Yeah, you don't want to burn that flavor.
Right. This one you just let it cook. All the time you cook, the oyster sauce still is last one.
Okay, you usually put that in last. Okay.
Right. Last time.
Yeah, I've noticed that on some of your
Yeah.
the other videos we've made.
I just want to make it a little hot. This one still in there. The cooker is okay.
Okay.
The salt is done. Shown with noodles is done. I think
Okay.
okay. Wait a minute. Okay, this one just give me here a little. Okay.
All
Alright. I need to make the noodles cooler.
right. So you're going to put this under cold water.
Yeah.
Okay.
Put the colder water, make the cooler. I think this one. Wait a minute. Here, too hot, huh?
Okay, so you're back with the noodles.
Yes, the noodles is use the cooler on the water, make it cooler.
Right.
Okay.
I'm just going to pile on the hamburger now.
Right. Hamburger. And you can use some.
Can't really see from here.
Sorry.
That's all right.
And if you like, normally in China, they don't use the onion,
Oh, okay.
but I like onion.
Oh, me too. So you've added the chopped cucumber, the onion, and the cilantro.
Yep. Okay. I think that's all.
Yeah, looks really good.
Smell good.
Smells good, yes,
Okay.
absolutely.
Right now we can go eat.
That's my favorite part of the show.
All right. See you later.
See you soon.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Welcome back. We cook out right now, and the noodles is ready. Right now we can eat. And the hamburger, beef. Right, it's a hamburger. Beef. And if you like, you can use more onion and cucumber, what you like, and you can use more cilantro. I like cilantro. And you just take them together.
Let's mix them up.
Yeah,
Okay.
do this way.
Very good.
Yeah.
Well, shall we start?
Right. To us. Together forever. Love you.
Love you too.
3, 4.
No. They don't understand. And I'm not going to tell you. All right.
We secret the word.
Yeah. All right, so get some cucumber. Get some onion.
Right. Yeah, I like onion. We have large more the sauce. Okay.
Okay,
We
much
want-
more of the meat.
Right.
Okay, get some cilantro on there. Pretty easy.
Right.
Pretty easy. I guess for me though, the hard part is always trying to stir things up. I'm not as graceful as you are with the
The
chops. Yeah.
It's okay. You can use very good.
Well, thank you. I try. I usually end up wearing some of my food though. Okay. Well, let's give this a shot here.
Yeah. You should. If you use the chops not good, maybe you need to change it.
See what I can do here. No, not too well apparently. Yeah.
Be good.
Very slippery.
Yeah.
Oops.
Sure. Made one. Up here. Good, huh?
I like this.
Yeah. Tastes different, right?
It does. It does. The spices and the sauces that you put in there. That's really good. I like this a lot. This
Yeah.
very tasty.
Yeah.
And like we said before, the hot pepper is not that hot. Just a little bit of warm on it.
맛있다. onion, cucumber together.
Well,
I like the taste.
want to call it a day? All right.
Big
Well, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like it too if you don't mind.
Yes. Please.
Please, exactly. And if you give this a try, please leave some notes down in the comments before if you have any questions as well.
Yes.
And what would you like to add for today?
And today, hope people like. Hope you in the home safe. Have a very nice Sunday.
Well, that's for us. Or any day, really. We hope you're having a great day.
Right. And hope you wish you healthy, safe, happy.
Very good. All right. Well, we'll see you later.
See you.
Thanks again for coming by.
All right.
Bye for now.
再见.
Sai Chen. You did it first this
Yeah,
time.
I remember.
All right. So
I
now,
need money.
now we get to eat more
More.
food.
Right, eat more food. I like the onion. The onion very good.